Hi, I'm Jesse. Tag along with our interns Paul and Caleb as we learn what it's like to be an intern at Ready.
I'm Paul. I'm a mechanical engineering student up at NDSU, and I've been interning at Ready for about a year and a half. Right now, we're headed out west to meet up with Caleb, another intern, and we're gonna hammer out a couple stainless steel installs.
So I'm Caleb. Like Paul, I am a mechanical engineering student at NDSU. I've been with the Ready team for about 2 years now as an intern. I've been very fortunate to be a part of the team at Ready. They're a young and developing firm, and I feel like the sky's the limit for them. Besides just the technical engineering skills, I've had the opportunity to practice life skills like client relations and teamwork on the job.
Caleb, you know there's a painting over there that looks just like you?
No, I don't see it.
Ready has been a great place for me to learn, not only just about engineering stuff, but also about how a small business is run, and also about the ag industry and just the farming community in general. It has been so awesome to work with these guys who care a ton about what they do. It has been a great opportunity for me to grow. These guys are working to make a difference in the world, and I'm thankful that I get to be a part of that.
If you're a student looking for a challenging internship with a growing company, get in touch with us to learn about future opportunities.